Hey everybody, this is a quick video to tell you how to do a hard reset on a Delphi MyFi xm2go satellite radio. In case you're having any issues with it not connecting, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's glitching or freezing, anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. This will restore the factory default settings, but it's quite easy to do. All you need to do is the only thing you need to do this is like a paper clip or a pin. This is a standard one of those reset buttons that you stick a paper clip or a pin in. And that it's in the battery compartment. So you're just going to take the back battery case off, and you actually have to take the battery out to do this. And once you take the battery out, you will see this. And when you see this, you can go ahead and take a paper clip or whatever and press it into this hole right here. And just press it and hold it for a couple of seconds. You can release it, put the battery back in, put the case back on, turn it back on, and it will turn back on like it was when it came out of the box.